Hi, my name is Christine Evans. I'm the ward manager on the new rehabilitation unit in Talbot Hospital. So currently we are using the WNCR, the Welsh Nursing Care Record, which is electronic documentation for the patients, consisting of nurse reporting, all the risk assessments that are needed, demographics of the patients. When it was first launched, it was quite an uneasy time for everybody, but with encouragement from Liz and Tracy, who've led this implementation, it's become such a fantastic way forward for nursing, in that it's clear, concise documentation. There's no room for error. It highlights all the risk assessments that we need. It's easily accessible for everybody, all the MDT, physios, occupational therapists, speech and language. Anybody can access the WNCR at any time, and it's become a real valuable piece of equipment for the nursing staff at Talbot Hospital, and we are very privileged to have been the hospital that implemented first in the SBU Trust.